Very happy to see so many participants here, and it's going to be an amazing session with all of you. How many of you have attended my previous seminar? Please switch on your videos. I want to have a look at you because until we look at each other, the energy won't be, very compatible. So can you switch on your videos for some time? And I want to see some raise of hands as how many of you have attended my seminars below. Yes, please. I want to see how many of you can be very active in the chat box also. I want good participation in the chat box. The more you interact, the more you will learn. So if you have attended my previous seminar, please type Y in the chat box. Please type Y in the chat box. If you have attended my previous sessions, please type Y in the chat box. How many of you are able to see my slides? Please type Y. I will not start the class until the chat box starts running. Please be active in the chat box. Okay, thank you, Kaivalya. Please select send to everyone. Yes, thank you. The messages have started coming in. Please select everyone. Okay, thank you. Kaushik, thank you, Kaivalya, Siddharth, Krishi, you all have attended my sessions. So get set, ready. We are about to board a flight, Boeing 747. How many of you are ready to board the flight? Please type BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. BIO. When I get a BIO, I will take you. Thank you. So many BIOs coming in. Put in your seat belts and speed up. And now the accelerator is going to start. And for the next 1 hour, 15 minutes, I'm going to take you over a flight on the infallible Vedic wisdom. And here we go. Okay. So as already introduced, I completed my CBSC and biology, got the highest all India score, then from DAV, and then I completed my MBBS and MD in radio diagnosis and imaging with the All India University topper. I have spent 55 lakh rupees on various training programs till now internationally by Richard Bandler, Tony Buzon, Louis A. Graphology, Sound Therapy Nutrition, and authored an international publication by Lambert Publication, Germany. And just 15 days back, I gave a class in IIT Mumbai and SRM Chennai and various engineering and medical colleges. I'm also the director of a youth academy here. And post-corona has become a big thing. मैं तो बोलता हूँ कोरोना में कुछ तो करो ना. और वही हम बताएंगे. Now you have boarded the flight and here we go. Here was one of the programs which I held in the Rajendra Medical College and Hospital for the directors, professors, undergraduates, and postgraduates, because the doctors were the person who were committing the maximum suicide. So how many of you are interested to know about the Vedic knowledge? Please type Y in the chat box. And this is the Birla Institute of Technology, BIT, for 5,000 students in the auditorium. Thank you, Kaushik. Thank you, Nivratri. Thank you, Manohar, Baruda. Here I did a program on the art of mind control in BIT Meshra. So now, what are the 4 common things which are common to animals as well as humans? Humans and animals, what are the 4 common things? Let us see into the detail. Keep your minds on, keep your lights on, and keep your headlights on. Eating. Ahara, Nidra, Bhay, and Methun. A dog eats in the street and we eat in the restaurant. Sometimes we get a lot of tension while eating when we go to the restaurant with the girlfriend and see whether I'm able to impress her. आलू भुजिया अच्छा लगता है पराठे के साथ, लेकिन उसके सामने क्या बोलते हैं? पिज्जा अच्छा लगता है. Okay. So बात कर लो और बोलो I'm in Zoom. Yeah. So you have to understand one very important thing, that eating, sleeping, mating, and defending are the 4 things common to animals as well as human beings. Sometimes while sleeping, we may not get a sleep. We may not get sleep in a 5-star hotel in a suite room because mind में tension भरा हुआ है, लेकिन a dog may get the proper sleep. We have to understand ahara, nidra, bhay, methun, and mating, right? So we know that this is a principle in which humans do it in a sophisticated way, but the dogs and the animals do it on the streets. And similarly, defending. Someone is firing with the Scud and the Patriot missiles. Someone is firing with a Rafale jet, and someone is fighting with the claws on the street. How many of you are with me now? Please type M in the chat box. Me, M for M, me. So Ahar, Nidra, Bhay, and Methun, these are the 4 things which are common. Thank you, Suwan. Thank you, Sampurna, Krishal, Dushyant, Dhanvanti. I'm happy to have such a wonderful crowd who is able to understand the topic very, very intelligently. So let us make a comparative analysis. Did you get a news in the morning that you open the Times of India that today animal committed suicide? एक बंदर अपने आप को पूंछ पे लटका लिया, or a dog had a fight with the bitch and the dog came in front of the railway track and said, मैं मरना चाहता हूं कि मेरी बीवी के साथ झगड़ा हो गया. Never. Did you ever get a news that an animal commits suicide? No. But we have to understand that there are different species of animals in this in this world. Like, we cannot run faster than a cheetah. We cannot have a better stamina than a horse. We cannot smell like a dog. We cannot fly like an albatross. Humans have particular things and animals have particular things. Even animals have rational power and intelligence in the four habits of eating, sleeping, etc. And they are better than human beings, seeing eagles, smelling dogs, eating elephants, reproduction, mosquitoes. So we have to understand that what is the special thing about the human beings. Western countries have reached the summit of material advancement. Generally, before my seminars, I ask the person, what is the goal of your life? And people say, the goal of the life is to become the rich man, to become the most powerful man. And let me sum it up for all of you. So, Western countries have reached the summit of material advancement. They need luxurious houses, there is skyscraper buildings, and there are jet planes. Of course, this is an old slide, so now it will be replaced by an iPhone and latest methods of communication. But in spite of all the advancement, America, which is the most advanced country as of now, is dissatisfied, full of anxiety, stressed, depressed, and above all, unhappy. This is because of is this because of technological advancement, or is it something different? Advancement has nothing to give and take with happiness, but doing the same four activities of eating, sleeping, mating, and defending in a more sophisticated way is nothing but an animal civilization, and that cannot give us the true happiness of the soul. What are the questions which we need to ask in our life? How many of you are interested to know about the important questions of life? Please type Q in the chat box. Q for questions. Q in the chat box. Thank you, thank you. I'm getting a number of Qs in the question. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Kaushik, Manohar, Dusane. Yes. And the three important questions which should come to a sane human being is मैं कौन हूँ? मैं क्यों आया हूँ? हर दिन सुबह उठना, व्हाट्सएप में झगड़ा करना, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ ब्रश करना, कॉलेज जाना, टीचर के साथ झगड़ा होना, आना, वड़ा पाव खाना, चाय पीना और फिर सो जाना. Is this life? मैं कौन हूँ? Who is God? And what is my relationship with Him? Everyone sings a song today. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. But the question is, किस दिन? Very good. The admin has put your questions in the link below. If you have any questions, I'm there with you and I will answer each and every question of yours. So if any question is there, put your questions in the link and we will take it up in the end. The difference between the animal and the human being is that the animal can inquire, okay? So he cannot inquire about eating, sleeping, mating, and fearing, but the human beings can inquire about life and death. Animals can only inquire, they can find about their food, their sleep, their mate, and fear, but human beings can find out about the life and death. So what are the important questions of life? The important questions of life are Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Who is God? परमात्मा कौन है? मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ? मैं मर के कहाँ जाने वाला हूँ? Where do I go after death? And why I am suffering? इतना खुशी की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, but happiness is slipping out from my hand. How many of you have such questions in your life? Please type M in the chat box. M for me. How many of you got such questions in your life? Please type M in the chat box. Wow, Krishil, Vrishali, Sole, Pratyush, Nisha, Hemant, Lakshay. I am impressed. I am really impressed. This crowd is super cool because they have got the interesting questions in their life. Now, this is the very interesting slide. Now that we have got the human life, there are two choices. Shankaracharya, one of the famous saints of South India, says, Punarapi Janmam, Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Janani Jathare Shayanam, Iha Samsare Bahu Dushtare, Kripa Kari Pahi Murare. Punarapi Janmam, again birth. Punarapi Marnam, again death. Punarapi Janani, Janani means mother. Jathare Shayanam, Jathar means womb, where we stay for 9 months. Ihad samsare, bahut dushtare. If you take a mobile, you get a manual. If you buy a washing machine, you get a manual. Similarly, did we inquire about the manual of life? ये जिंदगी में क्यों आए हैं? खुश होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट खुशी क्यों नहीं मिल रही है? So, punarapi janmam, punarapi mananam, punarapi janani jathare shayanam, iha samsare bahudushtare, kripa kari pahi murare. Human life is meant for inquiry, and when you do inquiry, you are promoted to the higher stages of life. And if you don't do inquiry, punarapi, again we will be back into the animal kingdom. These are the vital questions which should come. Human being can develop the reasoning power to ask, why am I suffering? What will happen after death? Where do I go after this life? So some of the vital questions which we need to see, that every person wants to be young forever, but very soon we start growing old and our bodies become weak and frail. No one wants to become old, but yet we become old. Everyone wants to be very beautiful. No one wants to get out, and that's why the cosmetic industry is flourishing. A Texas American millionaire spent millions of dollars in vain in research stopping the age. So what happens? Birth, old age, disease, and death. Our body grows from childhood to boyhood, to youth, to old age, and eventually to bring about death, leaving only bones. People capture sweet memories. Why do they capture sweet memories? They capture the sweet memories because they know that when they are forced to grow old helplessly, their appearances won't look sweet anymore. So they keep these records in their mobile. So Shankaracharya is telling, what good is left when the youth has fled? What is the use of a lake without water? Do not boast about wealth, friends, and youth. Each one of this is destroyed with the minutes. So chant, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam Mudhamate. So we have to understand what is the purpose of our life. So now if you want to know what is the purpose, please type BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. BIO, BIO in the chat box. Thank you for that amazing response. We want to remain healthy, but much against our disease, we want and see that we have a lot of diseases. In every cigarette packet, it is written, smoking is injurious to health. Then they make the font size bigger. Then they put this person has got the end stage carcinoma or the cancer of the mouth. But still, people are not able to give up what? They are not able to give up smoking. What is the reason for this? Let's see. And in spite of all the advancement in the world, there is a lot of pain and there is a lot of disease and there is a lot of starvation. And finally, there is death. So we have to understand why I'm suffering. Okay. Birth. When a child is born, how many of you have gone to the hospital and seen a child birth? Anyone who has actually seen a child birth, please type Y in the chat box. Anyone has seen a child birth, please type Y or M in the chat box. Okay. Suryansh has seen, very lucky person. So as a doctor, professor, and head radiologist, I can say that labor pain is one of the biggest pains in the body. And when there is labor pain, the child is literally forced out. It's practically dead, floating in the amniotic fluid, drinking his own liquor, drinking his amniotic liquid and the stool and the urine. And when the child comes out, it's practically dead. And the pediatrician gives him one slap and the bacha cries. And the world says, happy birthday to you. Is this birth very happy? कभी कभी आजकल हम बस में चढ़ते हैं तो कोई बुढ़ा आता है तो हम बोलते चल बुढ़े हट मुझे बैठने दे आपका भी समय आएगा घबराते क्यों हो तुम भी बूढ़े होगे एंड देन समवन विल टेल यू हट और आपको पुराने दिन याद आएंगे we have to understand that disease. Is there any student here who can say that आज तक मेरे को कोई बीमारी नहीं हुआ? Is there anyone who can say that till date I have never got a disease? अरे बाबा सर्दी खांसी बुखार तो सबको ही होता है ना, right? And death. Death is the final nail in the coffin. And these are the real problems of life. So anyone who can perceive birth, death, old age and disease as the real problems is in knowledge. So let us analyze our lives. तीन टाइप के प्रॉब्लम होते हैं शास्त्रों में. वन इज आध्यात्मिक क्लेश, miseries caused due to body and mind. In the US, 1 out of 2 cardiac arrests are on account of stress. And India today says that teen suicide rates have tripled in the past 25 years and 40% suffer from anxiety. There is love at first sight and there is divorce at first fight. Huh? Love at first sight, divorce at first sight. लोग बोलते हैं one should fall in love. I say one should rise in love, right? So you have to understand that आज का व्यक्ति को mental issue बहुत है. Mental issue बहुत है because Corona has accelerated these things. And what is Adi Bhautik Klesh? Adi Bhautik Klesh is miseries caused due to other living entities, terrorists, thieves, sometimes politicians, and sometimes there is Adi Devik Klesh or natural calamities. For example, floods, tsunamis, earthquakes, and all these things. Although we are advanced in medical sciences and have the latest technology at our disposal, still our plans of good health and happiness are thwarted by newer and newer disease. Only a fool can say that we will conquer death. That is not possible. Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, Antakale cha mameva smarana muktva kalevaram. At the end time, during death, anyone who remembers me will surely come back to me. As a professor and head of the department, I have studied the medical science extensively, and also I have studied the Gita extensively. All of you know Muhammad Ali. Who doesn't know Muhammad Ali? He was the greatest boxer, and he said at one point of time, I am the greatest. Muhammad Ali said, I am the greatest. Well, my question is, and at one point he was suffering from Parkinson's disease. After all, finally he had to leave the world. So we have to understand one very important, he at one point of time did not have enough energy to even lift a cup of coffee. Why do such great personalities suffer from problems? Can scientific advancement put a full stop to suffering? How many of you would like to know this? Can scientific advancement put a full stop to suffering? Please type N in the chat box. N for me. 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 Okay, great. So many me's coming in. Nice to see the amazing energy and participation. So मेरे दोस्तों ध्यान से सुनो. What is the difference between science and spirituality? For the last 22 years, you can see my books library. I'm showing you my books library. Please look. There are 5,000 books in this library, all on science and spirituality. Science in this world answers the how of things, and spirituality in this world answers the why of things. How does a person die? Diabetes, blood pressure, whatever, cardiac problem, heart attack, myocardial infarction. How does a person die is answered by science, and why does a person die is answered by Bhagavad Gita. How does it rain? बारिश कैसे होती है? This is answered by science, evaporation, condensation, rain. And बारिश क्यों होती है? Answered in Bhagavad Gita. Is it clear to you? Science in this world answers the how of things, and spirituality in this world answers the why of things. आज की दुनिया में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Temporary stopgap solutions. We are having temporary stopgap solutions. Advancement in science and technology aims at reducing the miseries of life. गर्मी लग रही है, पंखा चला लो. चलने में दिक्कत हो रहा है, मोटरसाइकिल चला लो. But always there are 3 types of solution. One is a symptomatic solution and one is a curative solution. Science and technology cannot stop old age. Science and technology cannot eradicate disease. एक कोरोना जाएगा, दूसरा वायरस आएगा, दूसरा वायरस जाएगा, तीसरा वायरस आएगा. ये जो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बोलती है ना, हेल्थ फॉर ऑल बाय 2000, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि कृष्ण गीता में बोलते हैं अहम सर्वस्व प्रभवो मत्ता सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधभाव समन्वितः. He is the creator of the whole universe. He knows how to run the universe. We have been sent in this world for reformation purpose, and birth, old age, disease, and death teach us lessons that we should surrender to the Supreme. तभी तो दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है, right? So superficial patch-up solution. बाल पक रहे हैं, हेयर डाई लगा लो. रिंकल आ रहा है, फेस लिफ्ट क्रीम लगा लो. पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, पेन किलर खा लो. ब्रेथलेसनेस हो रहा है, ऑक्सीजन ट्यूब डाल दो. लेकिन क्या बुढ़ापे का कोई सोल्यूशन है? नॉट पॉसिबल. क्या डेथ का कोई सोल्यूशन है? Not possible. Advancement in science and technology can never make you happy. मछली जल की रानी है, निकाल दो बाहर मर जाएगी. You can see this fish here. If you are able to see this fish here, please type F in the chat box. F for fish. F in the chat box. F for fish. Now I want to teach you a very important lesson, and that's why I need so many F's in the chat box. Rishali, Nivrati, Hemant, Tupesh, Manohar, lovely. ये मछली को किसी ने मैगजीन दिया, किसी ने टेप रिकॉर्डर दिया, किसी ने मोबाइल दिया, किसी ने पैसा दिया, किसी ने इसको लिकर दिया, किसी ने इसको खाना दिया. क्या मछली खुश हो सकती है? नॉट पॉसिबल. मछली को पानी में डाल दो. हम लोग, we were in the spiritual world part and parcel of God. We were enjoying the 5 rasas with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But because of causeness, unwillingness, we have come into this world and we are trying to be happy without God, and that is not possible, right? So AC room, fine car, mobile, लेकिन दिल में दिमाग में हमेशा टेंशन घूमते ही रहता है, right? So if you want to be happy, you need to return back to the spiritual world. Until then, you need to lead a spiritual life, right? So story of beauty queen. एक आदमी एक फीमेल से अट्रैक्ट हो गया था और बड़ा कितने फिल्मी गाने बने हैं, हाँ, अलग अलग चीजों पे, right? So you have to understand one very important thing is that one very important thing which we have to understand is that this person, he was attracted to the girl, but over a period of time, this girl got tuberculosis. And when the girl got tuberculosis, slowly she dropped 10 kgs weight, 15 kgs weight. And when he went to meet the girl again, he could not identify. काले गड्ढे पड़ गए थे, पतले हो गए थे, हड्डियां निकल गई थी. तो उसने बोला, उसका नाम था चंद्रमुखी. उसने बोला, अरे चंद्रमुखी तो कहाँ चली गई? उसने बोला, जा डब्बे में जाके देख. बोले, डब्बे में क्या देखने का है? उसने डब्बा खोला. उस डब्बे में स्टूल एंड यूरिन एंड ऑल द थिंग्स व्हिच ही हैड गॉट ड्यूरिंग ट्यूबरकुलोसिस वो था. वो बोले, अच्छी. नाउ व्हाट वाज इट? बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्म एंड इट केम. लोग बड़े सुंदर दिखते हैं, एक ब्लेड को लेके थोड़ा सा कट दीजिए, अंदर से क्या हीरे मोती जवाहर निकलेंगे. द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बर्थ, ओल्ड एज, डिसीज एंड डेथ remain a puzzle for the modern man despite all scientific advancements, right? So we have to understand what is the solution. Suppose a boil is coming again and again. Okay, so if we start to see that a person is getting a pimple again and again, so you can put an anti-pimple cream, but the pimple will go from there and come again. But if you give a blood purifier injection, then
Ripping because of impurity of blood. Your default microphone has changed. If all of you are able to hear me clearly, please type Y in.
Yeah, if you are able to hear me clearly, please type Y. Okay, thank you. I was just checking out my AirPods. Okay. So, very important to understand that the wise and the foolish, how to differentiate between the wise and the foolish. The wise believe in God, the foolish don't have faith in God. The wise live according to laws of God, but foolish follow, eat, drink and be merry. कल किसने देखा है भाई? आज का जिंदगी जियो. It's my life, my worry. Remembers the temporary nature of this world, and the foolish forgets the temporary nature of this world. The wise follow a regulated life of principles and ultimately attain God. Open the glasses. And the foolish are envious of others and live unregulated life at the cost of others, right? So foolish knows that he will die today. He knows that everything is temporary, yet he is mad only after the short-lived pleasures of this world. अब ध्यान से देखिए बच्चों, ध्यान से देखिए, कुछ आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग. ट्रेन में कुछ लोग जा रहे हैं, एक के बाद एक गायब, दूसरे के बाद दूसरा गायब, तीसरे के बाद क्या हुआ? ध्यान से देखिएगा, ये बकरी घास खा रही है. ये बकरी घास खा रही है. कुछ देर बाद ही कर्सर को देखिए, ये बकरी का हालत यहां से यहां आ जाएगा, लेकिन बकरी को वो दिख नहीं रहा है. हाँ, यक्ष was asked the question to Yudhishthir. Yaksha asked the question to Yudhishthir that what is the most amazing thing in this world, and Yudhishthir said, ahani ahani bhutani gachanti yamalayam. Everyone is seeing that he is dying, वो dying. In corona so many people have died, but अपने को क्या प्रॉब्लम है पता है? अरे मेरा तो बहुत समय है, मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा, अपना नंबर तो आने नहीं वाला है, राइट? How many of you agree with me? Please type Y in the chat box. How many of you agree with me? Please type Y in the chat box. If you agree with me, please type Y in the chat box. कि हमें लगता है कि अपना नंबर तो कभी आने ही नहीं वाला है. Okay? So good day, so much grass, I am lucky, right? And we have to see this and understand that what is the difference. The duty of every man is to make relevant inquiries about the following questions. And what are these questions? Who am I? Am I this body which is a bag of flesh and bones, or am I something superior? Who is God? What is my relation with God? Why did he create this world? What is his purpose in sending me here? What is my relationship with him? What I am supposed to do in this world? Why am I suffering? What is the cause of suffering? And what I should do to get out of this suffering? And why did God create so many suffering? So the intelligent people, if you are able to see this slide clearly, please type Y in the chat box. I just want to see that you all are with me. Thank you, Krishel, thank you, Aditya, Siddharth, Rupesh, thank you, Bhupesh, very nice. So now see this. What is the actual destination of life? एक गाड़ी बहुत तेजी से चल रही थी. किसी ने बोला, सर, where are you going? Don't stop. I want to go very fast. But थोड़ी ही देर बाद गाड़ी जाके एक dead end पे आ गया. Aimless, fast-paced life, rat race lifestyle, mindless of the purpose for which we are sent here, can only lead us to hell. So we have to understand what is more important in life, speed or direction. S for speed, D for direction. Please type S or D in the chat box. What is more important, speed or D? Very good. I'm liking the intelligence of the crowd here. Bhupesh, Manohar, Dustani, Jadav, Suryansh. Yes. 800 किलोमीटर पर आवर से अगर आपका प्लेन चल रहा है तो डायरेक्शन को चेक कीजिए, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा डायरेक्शन गलत हो गया तो मुंबई की जगह नासिक में लैंडिंग हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया तो नासिक की जगह लद्दाख में फ्लाइट चली जाएगी. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. नाउ वी नीड टू सी व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ आवर लाइफ. ये जिंदगी का डेस्टिनेशन क्या है? ध्यान से देखिएगा माय फ्रेंड्स. A company gives you a car to go home. You put petrol in the car, wash it, repair the damaged parts, but that is not the ultimate goal. Your ultimate goal to use the car is to return home. Human body is given to purify our heart and return back to Lord. You can eat food, bathe your body, set right any disorders in the body by going to a doctor. But your ultimate goal, why God has given you this body, is to inquire and go back home, back to Godhead. And that is the purpose of life. That's why Krishna is telling in the last shloka of Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shri Vijaya Bhuti, Dhruvani Tir Matir Mamaha. Wherever there is Lord, Krishna, and wherever there is follower, there is victory, prosperity, and all good things will happen in life. So what is Krishna telling Arjun? Lord Krishna teaches Arjun about the soul in the beginning of Bhagavad Gita to relieve Arjun of all the sufferings. That हम ये शरीर नहीं है, हम आत्मा हैं. In Hinduism it is called Atma. In Christianity it is called the soul. And in Islam it is called the Ruh. Okay? Please put all your questions in the link and I will be there with you to answer each and every question of yours. You are the soul. You are not the body. Your body is just like a shirt. And that's why Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, Vasangsi jirnani yatha vihaya. Just as the body changes clothes, the soul changes bodies. अभी भी आपका पूरा बॉडी बदल रहा है. The WBC, the RBC, the bone cell, the nerve cell, the muscle cell. And you have entirely changed personality. Every cell of your body has changed. But my dear friends, only one thing has not changed, and that is the spiritual soul, and that is the Atma. Ek aurat thi, one lady was there, and she was having a golden cage. And the purpose of the golden cage was to show off to her friends that she has a golden cage. लेकिन सिर्फ केज रखेंगे तो लोग हंसेंगे ना, तो उसके अंदर एक चिड़िया को डाल दिया, एक तोते को डाल दिया। लेकिन एक दिन तोता मर गया, क्योंकि उसका फोकस तोते पे था ही नहीं, बाहर के पिंजड़े पे था। Now we may laugh at this example, but the same thing is happening in our life. सुबह से शाम तक हम इस शरीर का ध्यान देते हैं। कितना घंटा? 24 घंटे में तो 8 घंटा सोते हैं। Of course, sleep is required. ब्रश करना, कपड़े ये करना, and job and all these things. But how much time are we giving to the soul? And that is very important, because at the time of death, your body remains here. And what goes with you is you go, the spirit soul, along with the subtle body. आपके धर्म और कर्म, माइंड माई वर्ड्स, आपके धर्म और कर्म ही आपके साथ नेक्स्ट लाइफ में जाता है। पॉलिशिंग द केज बट फॉरगेटिंग द हंग्री पैलेस, टेम्परिंग द बॉडी बट फॉरगेटिंग द सोल। ओके, देयर इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ महामूर्ख इन विच अ किंग टोल्ड अ पर्सन दैट अगर तुमको king told a person who was considered a big murkha or a foolish person that तू इस किंगडम का सबसे बड़ा मूर्ख है, अगर तेरे से बड़ा मूर्ख कोई मिले ना तो ये डंडा उसको दे देना। Now what happened is an interesting story. When the king was about to die, that foolish person came and gave that danda to the king, and the king became wild. He wanted to kill him, but उसने बोला हंस के कि अरे भाई, इतना सारा तुमने किंगडम किया, इतना पैसे कमाए, हाँ, इतने तुम्हारे wives, slaves and so many things were there. My dear friend, did you do anything for the soul? So of course you are a bigger murkha than me, that now you have to go. And at the time of death, king actually understood that he was a bigger murkha than that mahamurkha, right? So the purpose of the Vedas, very important, my dear friends. What is the purpose of the Vedas? If you want to know the purpose of the Vedas, please type P. P for purpose, P for purpose, P for purpose, P in the chat box. So many P's coming in. Swan, Dushane, Krishna, Sampurna, Bhupesh, Dhanvir, thank you so much. So please understand, किसी के साथ भी जब दोस्ती होती है, सबसे पहले संबंध होता है। संबंध मतलब क्या? रिलेशन। Who am I? Who is God? और जैसे जैसे गॉड के साथ आपकी दोस्ती बढ़ेगी, रिलेशन बढ़ेगा, फिर अभिदय, द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिवाइविंग अ रिलेशनशिप विद गॉड, एंड देन फाइनली इज द प्रयोजन। Once you revive your relationship with God, then the mature result of attaining love of God is there. So we have to
अहम सर्वस्व प्रभवो मत्ता सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधभाव समन्वितः. The originator and progenitor of all the Vedas is Krishna, and from that it went to Brahma, from Narada, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and in this world brought by A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami, evam parampara praptam imam raja rishayo vidu. All of you are engineers. Will you go to an engineering college which doesn't have a AICTE approval? Will I take a professorship in a medical college which is not recognized by the Medical Council of India? आज प्रॉब्लम क्या है बच्चों, पता है? The biggest problem, इतने सारे गुरु घंटाल पैदा हो गए हैं. All the gurus are going to the jails, and all the bogus gurus, because this is Kali Yuga, they are doing so many scams. But remember, जैसा गुरु वैसा चेला हो नरक में ठेलम ठेला. You don't have to follow blindly. जाके देखिए इसका लाइफ कैसा है. Is he doing it just out of rituals or sentimentalism, or is he understood the process and then use your intelligence and then you follow the process? That is the way. Why should we accept axiomatic truths? There is no science without axiomatic truth. Imaginary number. What is the definition of a point? Point is something which has zero dimension in x, y and z axis. But point कुछ होता है कि नहीं? होता है. And a collection of point is a line, a collection of line is a plane, and collection of plane is a cube. Huh? Now see, what is this Heisenberg's uncertainty principle? My question is, how can a principle be uncertain? Right? So there are many things. कितने मॉडल आए, कितने मॉडल गए. मॉडल मतलब बॉलीवुड का मॉडल नहीं, एटम का मॉडल. हाँ, एरिस्टोटल, सबसे पहले एरिस्टोटल्स मॉडल, देन बोयल्स मॉडल, देन डाल्टन्स मॉडल, देन रदरफोर्ड्स मॉडल, देन श्रोडिंगर मॉडल. हाँ, जितना टेलीस्कोप का पावर बढ़ता है, लगता है कि ये लास्ट प्लैनेट है, लेकिन भागवत में कृष्ण बोले ही रखे हैं कि व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. So please understand that there is a relative knowledge and there is an absolute knowledge, and the absolute knowledge comes from the Vedas, and that is the real way of understanding the knowledge. So from this Krishna, this knowledge went to Vivaswan, or the sun god, and it went to Manu and Ikshvaku. Now you may say, sir, sun god क्या होता है? मैं तो हैरी पॉटर पढ़ता हूं. अरे माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इवन टुडे देयर इज द्वारका, देयर इज जगन्नाथपुरी, देयर इज वृंदावन. खोजो तो मिलेगा. जीसस सेड लुक एंड दाई शैल फाइंड. हाँ, if you take one step towards God, God takes 10 steps towards you. In the 10th chapter, 10th shloka of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is telling, Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. So in this eastern part of India, like Bihar, UP and all, they have this Chhat festival where they worship the sun god. And there are the various worships of the different gods like Shiva or Durga. And these are not fantasies. This word mythology was coined by the foolish Britishers, right? So this is truth. These are all truths. Vedas tell these are all truths and you can experience the truth. Now you may say, Bhagwan, aap humko dikha sakte kya? Now, one person asked in IIT Mumbai this question to me that क्या आपको भगवान दिखा सकते हैं? I told, क्या तुम मेरे को हवा दिखा सकते हो? तुम्हारे आंख की सबसे पास वाली चीज क्या है? आई लैशेस. क्या तुम उसको देख सकते हो? तुम्हारे आंख की सबसे दूर की चीज क्या है? इन्फिनिटी. क्या तुम उसको देख सकते हो? बीच में हवा है. क्या तुम उसको देख सकते हो? लेकिन हवा को महसूस तो कर सकते हो ना. तो वैसे ही भगवान को अपनी जिंदगी में आप महसूस कर सकते हैं. एक गुलाब जामुन और रसगुल्ले में टेस्ट का क्या अंतर है वो कोई भी लैंग्वेज समझा नहीं सकता, चाहे वो इंग्लिश हो, हिंदी हो, संस्कृत हो, कि गुलाब जामुन ऐसा मीठा है और रसगुल्ला वैसा मीठा है. अरे बाबा, मेलोडी खाओ, खुद जान जाओ. गुलाब जामुन खाओ, समझ जाओगे गुलाब जामुन का क्या टेस्ट है और रसगुल्ला का क्या टेस्ट है. Vedas present absolute truth. For the last 22 years, I have practiced science and spirituality. And in the course of practicing spirituality, I have got deep realizations in the heart, which gives me faith in God. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead who came in this world, just before the start of Kali Yuga 5,000 years back. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as the hidden avatar of Kali Yuga, came in Navadvip Dham. And Prabhupada came around 50 years ago to spread this knowledge. There are indefeatable Vedic predictions told by Buddha, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chanakya, Ashoka. Their names are mentioned. Even the mention of Christ and Muhammad is there in the Bhavishya Puran, Atharva Veda, Kanda 20, Shukta 127. I'm even giving you the texts. And the Vedic truths have to come true because these are told by God. Vedas state that plants have life, which was proved by Jagdish Chandra Bose. I have studied the human embryology by Keith and Moore, and there I saw that it exactly matches with the Bhagavatam. So similarly, Vedas state that cow dung is pure. Of course, for that the cow has to eat grass, not plastics. Only in 1940, the scientists found out the antiseptic qualities. And similarly, modern man is turning towards yoga, meditation, Vastu Shastra, astronomy, astrology, metallurgy, and Vedas. नहीं तो भाई मेरे दोस्तों, कोरोना वायरस का साइज क्या है? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप में दिखता है और हाहाकार मचा के रखा है. एक कोरोना ने पूरे दुनिया को बंद कर डाला. ओके, एंड देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर दिस. एवरीथिंग हैज अ रीजन. जिस रूम में बैठ के आप ये जूम मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहे हैं उसमें चारों तरफ देखिए, फैन देखिए, लाइट देखिए, एसी देखिए. कोई भी चीज ऐसे ही ऑटोमेटिकली आ गया क्या? लोग बोलते हैं एक बड़ा सा विस्फोट हुआ, बिग बैंग थ्योरी हुआ, ठंडा होके बन गया. अरे बाबा, विस्फोट से एक डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है, क्रिएशन नहीं होता है. डार्विन्स मॉडल ऑफ Darwin's theory is a bogus theory. We will be covering it in details as time goes. How can a child know who is his father? अगर एक बच्चे को पता करना है कि उसका बाप कौन है, वो जाके हर मेल पर्सन के साथ जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग नहीं कर सकता. ऐसा करेगा तो 800 साल लगेगा. सिंपल है ना बाबा, जाके मम्मी को पूछो कि मेरे पिताजी कौन थे. Medical testing by genetic fingerprinting takes 800 years to identify only 200 men. Simply ask your mother. So there are two types of knowledge. Inductive method मतलब नीचे से ऊपर and deductive method मतलब ऊपर से नीचे. मम्मी से पूछो ना. Vedas are compared to our mother. God is our father. Vedas can guide us to the Supreme Father. So please understand this very important analogy. Professors are like in the Vedic process of learning. जैसे आपके प्रोफेसर्स हैं मेडिकल कॉलेज में, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में, वैसे इस वैदिक यूनिवर्सिटी में भी प्रोफेसर्स की जरूरत है, जिनको बोलते हैं गुरुज और आचार्यस. कुछ साल पहले की बात है जब तक्षशिला यूनिवर्सिटी था. there were so many universities like Magad University and the remains are there till now also. Sometime back I went to see the Nalanda University near Bodh Gaya. Okay, So authorized college is the parampara and the sampradaya, and the authorized books are the Vedic text like Bhagavad Gita. Engineering करना है तो AICT approved college में जाओ. Medical college में admission लेना है तो Medical Council of India से approved college में जाओ. कोई भी दुकान में जाके medical science नहीं होता है दोस्तों. कई बार हमारी जिंदगी की हालत कुछ ऐसी होती है. दो लोग कुतुब मीनार चढ़ रहे थे, भाग रहे थे. ऊपर जाके दूसरे ने पूछा, भाई चाबी कहाँ है? तो बोला, हाय राम, चाबी तो नीचे छूट गया है. So we need to lead a synergistic life of teamwork. And last but not the least, I would love to end this session by the beautiful poem which I love. Loving chains that tie, each precious moment flitting by. If we don't use a vision of choice, we won't have one for us to voice. And time will destroy the glorious past. Just memories will remain, memories will last. Thank you very much. In this, the email is absolutely not visible. So, okay. So, please, very important. I will answer each and every of your question which you are typing right now. But however, if the questions exceed, I have given all my classes which I have taken in IITs and NITs in my YouTube channel, Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary. Please note the name. You can take a screenshot, right? And we have a PW quiz for today. The quiz will also be there and I will be answering all your questions. So for the further knowledge on these topics, I am posting the link of the YouTube channel. Can my digital team post the link in the chat box? So you can go to the channel and see all the videos. And for any questions, you can always ask me. Okay. So I have got a message from Hemant that the session can be extended. Well, very nice. I hope you all have understood this. And please remember that I will be answering all your questions. In case it overshoots, you can put your questions in the comments on my YouTube and I will be personally answering